what's up guys, it's Lexi and today we're outside and doing a Nerf War. Let's go! Holy crap, holy crap. Okay, base. Dang it, there's no more bases! I found a good one. Where are you, sucker? Ow! Oh!
Oh God. Where did I put my gun? Where did I put my gun?
Oh!
Got ya.
No, you didn't get me.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. We hit each other. Oh, that's a fair gun. I got my gun. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh! Ow! Ow! The pain of having a Nerf War, taking up all the bullets. Ah! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ow! Darn you, plant! Allie, come on. Okay.
Oh, you hit me.
Oh! You got bit by a girl! Little girl! Oh, I didn't cock it. Oh.
Here, I found a bullet.
Oh, you found a bullet?
Yeah, here. It was on.
Oh!
I got you, Lexi.
No, you didn't!
Oh, I got you, Lexi.
Okay. Oh. I hit a car! Oh my god! Oh shit, oh shit! Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! You're on ammo? That sucks. Oh, they're trying to hit up. And I almost hit you! I see you, little punk!
I got no bullet! Ow! 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 Shut up! Ow!
You're out of bullets?
Ow! No more bullet! Ow!
Suck. I don't want this video to be too long. You get bored, so bye!